We got the best 2 deals at the deep. But don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes. Alright, to start here, we got this tape gun here for $12, down from $15. Not a bad deal, especially if you do packaging. You got the Scotch mount clear, $7.26. You got these wrench rack set 2-pack, $34.97, 16 piece 2-pack. Now you got the inflator. This is the 12-volt inflator for the car, cigarette lighter, and then you got a house inflator for $24. And then you got this jigsaw, $179, rigid. It is brushless, 18 volts. You got this hybrid folding lights, panel light, $149. So this is a clearance section, by the way, if you guys don't know. You got a vacuum here, $179. This is one of the newer vacs. Fingerprint deadbolt lock, $57. And then you got these hooks here for the garage, $12 down from $14. They do come with mounting hardware. You got this inflator jump starter, $139 from Schumacher. Great brands. $9.97. These are the end caps of the lumber aisle, a 30 piece. It's not bad. You got some nice bit holders, nut drivers, 1-inch bits. All right, you got some hats now that the summer's here. You guys need to cover up. $14.98 for these hats. You got the buy one get one free still from Milwaukee. You buy 2 of these tools or 2 of the batteries. If you guys want to stock up on those 12 amp hour batteries, this is the best deal to get them. $269. They still got this impact wrench. Some of you are reporting you guys are seeing this for $138. Let us know in the comment section if you guys seen that at your depot, so we can watch out for that. $11.88 for this pack of 2 duct tape, and you got $49.96 for the 25-foot auger drain cleaner. And you are able to attach the power. There's like a power attachment you guys could attach to that. You got the wheel lock or the wheel chock. You got the ink saws there, $4. And then you got these tools for $129. The grease gun or the ratchet, $79 for the starter kit. These are the free tools you guys could choose with the starter kit, not the we just saw. This is another starter kit. So obviously those are nice good deals there. That is the starter kit. I believe it's a 5 amp hour battery and a 2 amp hour, and those were the tools right there on that paper. I know this Home Depot is already sold out of most of the tools. That's why you're seeing it like this. They also do have the buy one get one free with the nail guns. This is the extended mag. You do get a discount when you buy the nailer, the framing nailer, and the extended mag. Those deals are online. All those deals are online, so make sure you guys check it out online, because that's when you can get the most out of because you can put it in the cart and look at your prices. Alright, so you got some batteries here, different sizes. $14.87. This is the first time I see variety pack 30 piece. And same thing with these. Job site fan. These are the free tools that are available with that other kit that we saw, the starter kit. Alright, this is a 5 amp hour starter kit. And then some other tools you guys could get for free. Not for free, but these are brushed tools. You got the screwdriver set, a fastback folding, that's my favorite folding utility knife, and then some general purpose blades. Yeah, one of those has $3.99 and $2.99 will get you a free 2-pack of batteries, and with the rear handle or with the impact driver and hammer drill. So definitely the rear handle is going to be the best deal on that one. The other one's pretty good too, but if you need a rear handle, that I would definitely jump on that, and you guys are able to hack it because it already comes with 2 batteries and charger. This is $90 down from $139. This is a subcompact impact wrench from Rigid. This is actually a pretty good deal, pretty dang good deal for $90. This is very, very compact. You got a light here. It's like well, torch light. $28 down from $39. $7.97 for the framing saw blades. It's a 2-in-1 7.25, 24 tooth. These are framing. You got the Tough System drawers for $129. You got the smaller box for $55, down from $65. And then you got the medium, or actually the large toolbox, or medium, for $75, and then the rolling toolbox for $109. So not bad deals on those. And you still got the buy one get one free. It's very minimal what is available at the store, so you guys are able to see it online. Make sure you guys check that out online, because you're gonna get the most out of your selection there. Because some of the stores have limited amounts. All right, you got the trimmer line, $14.97, twisted trimmer line, 0.080 for your most of electric weed eaters. $249 for the brushless 13-inch string trimmer with 4 amp hour battery. A brushless float blower with the 4 amp hour battery. You got a $5.97 for the folding lockback utility knife. It's pretty nice, fastback style. It's not the original fastback though. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools and you get a pair of 2 amp hour batteries. That's a pretty dang good deal. Plus you got the Carhartt clothing to the left. Some really nice covers for the sun, and help you out staying cooler in the summer. Especially here in Arizona, it gets to like 118 degrees, so it's really hot here. All right, it's Carhartt, same thing, different colors. Does say Carhartt on the side. Really nice. Speaking of the heat, right? Hybrid fan. And then you got the 3-piece, this is the best deal, guys. If you guys are on a budget and you want a pro box, the rigid modular store system is the best way to go. You got a 2-2 combo kit for $149, and then you got the top of the line there for with the nice case. That is the $149 kit. You got the circular saw, 6.5 circular saw, and 2-pack of batteries, and then you got the tools that you have to buy so you can get the 2-pack of batteries. Pretty good deal on these if you guys are in the rigid. $15.97 for the Impact XPS, 35 piece, and then you got the drill driver there kit. That is the bit set there with some nut drivers, a bit holder, a bunch of 1-inch bits there. $99 for impact driver or drill driver, which we just did see the drill driver. $99 for the 270 piece 3 drawer. You got 3 ratchets, 3 polished ratchets, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. 24 6-point deep sockets, 21 12-point sockets, 12 nut drivers. So different bits, guys. There's a whole bunch of bits on this one. It does include 3 different drawers, like I said, and a nice carrying case, so you can carry everything in there. Lots of bits, some L wrenches, drawer storage by drive size. $34.97 for the 10-piece metric combo wrench set. It's actually pretty good, just to keep it for the spare in a truck or in a car toolbox. 7-piece ratchet and combination. I do prefer these. $49.97. Spend a little extra, and plus you're getting the the ratcheting part, which is very useful. Makes it a lot quicker. $39.97 and $29.97 for the 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive socket, 24 piece. That is the 3/8. It's a little bigger than and then the smaller one is the 1/4 inch, 24 piece socket set. It's pretty nice. You got the torque wrench, 1/2 inch, $59.97, and the 3/8 torque wrench for $49.97. Obviously, the bigger one's the 3/8. You got the $39.97 for the USB lithium pressure inflator kits. So this is pretty much a really small, compact size. I wish they would include, some sort of cable so you can put it on the cigarette lighter. You got the 15-piece screwdriver set for $11, down from $19. This is a killer deal, guys. I ended up getting this deal. It does have some stubby and some precision screwdrivers, and this was down to $5. So it's half price. I don't know why these are half price, but I ended up getting the screwdriver set. I couldn't resist myself for $11, down from 19. That's a killer deal. So make sure you guys go to your Home Depots and find out if that's available for you. You got the organizers, the double-sided organizers, pretty nice. You are able to see on both sides what you have in there, and then you got some air tips here for the pack out vacuum, for just the general vacuums. $19.97 for the air tips, and then here's another one, a corner-shaped air tip here for $19.97. It's a pretty good deal. You got the compact energy charger and power source, M12, for $69. You got the fan there, M12 fan, for $99, and then the radio there. Buy one get one free. So they still got these deals with the Ryobi. You buy the starter kit and get a free tool. One of the tools you guys can get is a power scrubber there to the right, and plus you're gonna get a free accessory there. So one of those wheels you're gonna get for free on top of that. So 2 different free items with this one. That's a killer deal. They already sold out on this one. You guys could choose the fan. I do have that light. That light's a really bright light. Definitely recommend that. I do apologize for the camera. Alright, so they do got this one on sale. This is the miter saw. This is a 10-inch Ryobi miter saw for $269. It's actually not a bad deal. I heard lots of improvements have been by Ryobi. So pretty good deals. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting that like and the bell icon. And you guys have a great weekend. Thank you.